Hello friends, welcome back to my channel RishitInspiringKids. Today I'm going to share with you top 20 mind-blowing English grammar quiz for all grades. If you can answer this question, please hit the like button, please subscribe. Let's get started. The first question is, that girl goes to Edna Lewis Peer Elementary School. What is the common noun in this sentence? Girl goes to Edna Lewis Peer Elementary School. The time starts now. And your correct answer is girl. Girl is your correct answer because the common noun in this sentence is girl, because the general term that refers to a female person. Our next question is, how many nouns are there in the sentence? After school, Kara went to the library to check out a book for her project. 1, 2, 3, 5. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is 5. There are 5 nouns in this sentence. They are school, Kara, library, book, and project. So your next question is, what is the pronoun? Tonight I'm going to see a movie with my mom. Tonight I mom movie. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is I. Your next question is, choose the sentence that punctuates the possessive pronoun correctly. That is his pencil. That is his pencil. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is, that is his pencil. Your correct answer is, that is his pencil, because the possessive pronoun his does not require an apostrophe or to indicate possession. The next question is, yesterday my mom and dad went to Stop and Shop. What is the verb? Yesterday went to Stop and Shop. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is went. Went is the past tense of the verb go and indicates the action of moving from one place to another. Our next question is, choose the word that is not a conjunction. And, or, yet, it. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is it. The word it, uh, it's is not a conjunction. It is a pronoun. Your next question is, my dog hides under the table when he hears thunder. What is the preposition in this sentence? Dog hides under table. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is under. Under is indicating that where the dog hides. Is the dog hiding under the table? This shows that where is the location or position of where the dog hides when he hears a thunder. Next question is, my dad happily drives a green truck to work. What is the adjective here? Happily drives green truck. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is green. Green is showing us that how the truck is. Is the truck yellow? Is the truck green? Is the truck red? And etc. Your next question is, he rode his bike to school. What tense is the verb in? Past, present, future. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is past. The verb rode indicates an action that has already happened in past. Our next question is, I always study hard before a test. In this sentence, which word is an adverb? Study hard, test, I. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is hard. Our next question is, the test wasn't difficult, so I passed easily. The word difficult is a verb, an adjective, an adverb. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is an adjective. Difficult is an adjective because difficult is indicating the test, whether the test was hard, whether the test was easy. Our next question is, do you like your new teacher? Which word is an adjective? Like, new, teacher, your. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is new. New is actually indicating how the teacher is. Is the teacher beautiful? Is the teacher smart? Is the teacher full of respectful? Is the teacher kind? Or is the teacher new? Or is the teacher old? Our next question is, let's watch a funny movie. Which word is a noun? Watch funny movie. Ah, your time starts now. And your correct answer is movie. Movies are correct answer because movie is a noun. Watch is an adverb. Funny is an adjective. And a is an article. Our next question is, there live a snake dashed a tree. Under, above, for, off. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is under. Your next question is, you worked hard, you passed. So, because, as, but. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is so. So is the correct answer because so connects two complete sentences to show that the second clause is a result of the first. The next question is, I dash to school every day. Go, went, gone, goes. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is go. Go is our correct answer because go is actually sewing because it is simple present indefinite tense. Our next question is, my sister lived in a dash house. Beautiful. Some. 5. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is beautiful. Because beautiful is showing us how the house is. Is the house beautiful? Is the house old? Is the house weak? So whenever there's a wind, so it can fall down. Or is the house small or it is large? Our next question is, the small children skipped. What is the adjective here? Children skipped. Small. None of these. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is small. Small is our correct answer because small is describing the noun children. Whether the children are tall, children are small, or the children are happy, or the children are clever. Your next question is, silly puppies tugged at the rope. What is the adjective here? Silly puppies tugged. None of these. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is silly. Silly is showing us in the art in the sentence that how the puppies are. Are the puppies small? Are the puppies tall? Are the puppies clever? Or are the puppies silly? Or are the puppies kind? Our last question is, the round ball bounced. What is the adjective here? Round ball bounced. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is round. Round is your correct answer because it's showing us whether the ball is round or whether the ball is in square shape or whether the ball is in different colors like red, blue, etc. Thank you guys. If you liked my session, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.